Good morning, dear students. We are doing the lesson MS Word 3, and last time I told you about inserting the graphics, and today I will tell you about inserting bullets, numbers, and symbols. Even I will tell you about the inserting a table also. Firstly, bullets and numbers. Firstly, you should have to clear what is bullet. A bullet is the symbol which is displayed at the beginning of the any list. For example, suppose you are having a list of the students, or you are having a list of some important points, and at the beginning of these points you want to insert a symbol. That symbol will be known as the bullet, and bullet can be of the different types. See on the screen, these are the bullets. You can insert any kind of the bullet, and this button is given in the home tab. For inserting the bullet, the button is given in the home tab. You can see in the yellow color, one button is for the bullets and one button is for the numbering. Firstly, you should have to clear what is the bullet, and hopefully you have cleared what is the bullet. Bullets are the symbols which are printed at the beginning of the numbering, means at the beginning of the list. You can define any type of the bullet. Except the bullet, you can insert the numbering also. What benefit of inserting the numbering? For example, you want to write the names of the 50 students, and at the beginning of these names you want to print the numbering 1 2 3 4 like this one, and you need not to write your own this numbering. The MS Word allows you to print the numbering automatically, means when you will press the enter key, automatically at the beginning of the row one number will be printed. Means firstly in the first row it will print 1, you have to write the first name there, and when you will press enter key, in the next row automatically here on the document it will be printed 2, you have to write second name there, and when you will press enter, in the next row it will print 3, and it will be printed continuously. And when you want to stop the numbering, press double enter key. In the numbering you can print 1 2 3, except that you can print ABC also, it depends upon you. You can insert some special symbols as a bullet also, means some bullets are given by default, as I shown you here. Have a look, these are the by default bullets, and except these bullets you can insert from the symbol also. Here are these symbols, and you can insert these symbols as a bullet also. For that, firstly you have to select a list and click on the arrow key just aside the bullet, and click the define bullet, define a new bullet, and from this list choose. Next one, working with table. What is the table? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. and how many rows and columns do you want, and how you will make a table in the MS Word. For inserting a table, you have to go to the Insert tab, and in the Insert, the first button is Table. When you click on this button, just below it you can see this one. This is used to define the number of rows and columns in the table. Suppose you want to 4 rows and 5 columns. In that case, from here you have to select 4 rows or 5 columns, whatever you want. And suppose here are given 10 rows and you want the more than 10 rows in the table. In that case, what you have to do, just below it you can see one button is here, Insert Table. If you click on this Insert Table button, in that case it will manually you how many rows and how many columns do you want in the table, and by typing from the keyboard you can define the number of rows and columns. After inserting the table in the MS Word document, you can select data in the table, selecting different part of the table. Here you can see here selecting different parts of the table. If you want to select a cell, click on the edge of the cell, and if you want to select a row, go at the beginning of the row and click it, means at the left hand side of the row, and click on the row. And if you want to select a column, place the mouse pointer over the top of the column and left click of the mouse. This is for selecting the rows column. And if you want to select the word sentence, in that case it is given. For selecting a word, double click on the word. For selecting a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Similarly, a block of text, drag the mouse over the text, and for a paragraph, triple click on the paragraph. So dear students, today I told you about inserting bullets, numbers and table in the MS Word 2010. If you face any kind of the problem, you can contact me. Thank you dear students.